Hi everyone, it's Alpha Media UG, and on this tutorial I will show you an updated method through which you can put one name on your Facebook account, also searched as how to one name on Facebook. So in case it's your first time, don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be updated every time I make such interesting videos. So the first step is for you to log into your Facebook account, and for this tutorial this is the account before me making changes on it. So then you click on the three dash menu at the top right corner. Then scroll down to settings and privacy. Then under that you click on settings. Then from settings you select account center. So under account center you select profiles. Then you go ahead and select your Facebook profile. So from there you select name. Then under name you can edit the first name to the one you want and remove the last name. But you'll notice that when you remove the last name, the review change button gets deactivated. So what you have to know is that having one name on Facebook account is limited to certain countries, and that's why for you to be able to have only one name on your Facebook account, you're going to install a VPN, and for this case you're going to use VPN Indonesia. I'm going to put the link in the description of the video, or you can head on to your Play Store app, search for VPN Indonesia, and then you install. After installing, you can go ahead and open it. So when you open, you're just going to connect to any random server. So after connecting, then you can now go back to your Facebook name settings for you to be able to make changes. So now on your Facebook name, for the first name, you're going to edit to the one that you want to appear on your profile. So for this case, I'm going to use Michael. Then for the middle name, you leave that. Then for the last name, you click on the space bar and then you review change. So sometimes it will take long for the review change process to get complete. So what you're going to do is you're going to go back to your VPN and then you change the server. So you first disconnect the one that is already connected. After disconnecting, then you select another server. So for example, you can select Jakarta India 1, Jakarta 1 or Jakarta 7. So then you can reconnect again. So after connecting, then you go back and click review change. But remember, the last name, it was spacebar. Then after that you'll have only one name. So in case this doesn't work for you, you can check the video that I'm going to put at the end screen, that you can try for another method that might work for you. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, turn on the notification bell, share this video to your friends, and see you in more of my coming videos.